good morning, but it's not good morning. It's now pretty much 5 o'clock, and I've not long woke up, and I went to sleep about 5 hours ago. I just don't feel good at all. Mentally, physically, I just feel like crap. My chest isn't helping because it's just full of gunk and just it's tiring to breathe. And then obviously emotionally for the last week it's just been hell. So yeah, I've just been asleep all day. Poor Sophie, that's just like, she's been sitting in the reading nook just playing on her phone. Oh, that was cute. Thank you. But yeah, she's now cutting the grass. These two. She wanted to do it earlier, but we didn't know if it would keep me awake. So yeah, no more then, girls, no more. So yeah, she's currently doing that, and probably end up taking the girls out in a bit if I'm up for it. But that's kind of our day so far. My hair is beautiful. Really like it. Just the blues and the purples and the pinks. It's just so scrumming. But yeah, we're sorry that the vlog's not too good today. I'm just about to go through the mail that I received this morning. Well, yeah, this morning. Not even my happy mail got me happy, and going to open it. So he's made me a nice warm chai latte, so I'm gonna drink that, and I'm gonna attempt to start making my birthday scrapbook, but I don't know how that's gonna go, so I'm gonna do that, and we'll see you in a little bit, guys. my birthday I had loads of birthday cards. Well, Sophie's getting annoyed with them being on the doors.
Only because it kept hitting me in the head.
So I had to take them down earlier than I anticipated.
Bearing in mind her birthday was 2 months ago.
Shut up. But I had a scrapbook ready and prepared. And it just looks really beautiful because it looks like bunting. So it looked relevant for a birthday. So it's not done yet. These are just the cards in there. But I've got something planned for these pieces of paper. No, Mr. No, I didn't. Obviously, they're not just going to be left like this. I'm going to be putting some decorations and some art around the cards. How pretty is all this? And then here, there's, Alba, that's not very appropriate. This is what she does when I'm reading the thing upstairs at night. And they sent like these stickers as well, so there was 4 of these butterflies. Do you guys recognise this situation? But, Alba, can you jump down please, baby girl?
Go and lie down. You got on your nose, isn't it?
It's mine.
That's okay, it's just dirt. Go lie down then.
Can you mind out the way, please? Pretty, please. Jump down. Can you jump down, please? Please? Okay, now it looks like you've done, like, had no training in your life.
I'm trying to tell you something, Mommy.
Can you go to the garden? Yeah, there was 4 of these butterflies, but I decided to put 2 on there and I'll use the others for pen pattern. And then I thought the envelope was like really cute as well, so I had to keep it. And you guys might have heard us say, "Can you chuck me my lungs?" That's a pillow, and it was one that Soph made, and it's because I've always loved this company that makes stickers like this, and they do pillows and things like that, but they were completely out of our price range. So Soph made us one, and it looks like this. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's homemade, and that's... It's actually on Soph's lap. It's my lungs! So obviously it's not exact, but we know what it is, and that's what...
it was a good attempt.
Yeah, and that's all that matters. Did you want to shut the door after? Because obviously these girls, and it's quite late. And then obviously that goes up, and then this flaps out, and then this flaps up, and there's another butterfly that she sent, which is uber cool, I might add. So yeah, this is the I Heart Guts, and they literally have every like organ on there. So there's that one. And there's like little postcodes and people's photography. Oh, I think I missed one. Did I miss one? No. This one always reminds me of the Mr. Men and Little Miss books. Like the writing and the I don't know if you're going to see it, but there's the type of texture. It's like the front of the books. Cray. I still can't believe I had 2 of these, but one in this size and one in the large. Yeah. Oh no. And this one is like handmade, and it was just perfect because it's butterflies and it is yellow, and they knew nothing about those 2 favourites. That person who sent them. Ta-da. That's hand drawn as well, which is pretty cool. Look at this one. It's like it moves. I had a bit of a fangirl moment when this one arrived. It's quite sad, but it's really cute. The person who sent it, she's got Ehlers-Danlos as well, and she was the first person I ever met, but like online met, who had it, and she's just really like a really lovely person and has a really cute dog. So yeah, and she's been in lots of papers and news things and stuff like that, which is why I had a fangirl moment, because she's quite well known in the chronic illness community for being amazing. Oh, don't look at me. Yeah, you know what you're doing wrong. And then there's this. There was a little quote that they sent with this one. And then there's this page.
I thought you said hedge.
No. All of these little extra bits here, they were all sent by my amazing pen pal, I've actually been pen paling for a little while actually. A couple of years I think it is now. And she sent me all this little extra stuff. And I wanted it all to kind of be around the card that she sent as like a wax seal of like a unicorn. This was all like, oh, for God's sake, embossing stuff. And there's another one there. Get your feathers out the way. And then there's another embossing one there. Little penguins and little stickers and a sloth. And then obviously there's Dumbledore. And the quote that I love the most. I did have it on a phone cover, but my phone broke. My phone cover broke. I thought I'd tie that on here. So yay. And I've got a ton more stuff to print off to go on this yet. Whoop, whoop. I forgot to say at the end of showing you the scrapbook. She gave in and collapsed on the lungs, even though she knows that I said down, and now she's avoiding eye contact.
What, where's her head? I thought her head was on my leg.
It's on the lungs.
Oh.
But her arse isn't. But obviously I said for her to jump down, so now she's avoiding eye contact with me. Not looking at me, are you, Alba?
I don't know what you're talking about.
No. You're going to completely ignore me, aren't you, Alba?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yep. You're just going to carry on with what you want to do on your own terms. Don't you, Alba?
I'm cute and you know it. Oh yeah, look at her. That is cute.
Gorgeous girl. Are you ignoring Mummy?
Don't know what you're talking about.
Are you ignoring Mummy?
I'm not doing anything.
You know.
I'm cute.
Yeah. And then she comes along.
Are you cute?
Though I'm still going to ignore you though, Mum. Hi down there. With your baseball. Oh, so now you can look at me.
I'm looking at the people, Mommy. I'm not looking at you.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
I'm tired, man.
Yeah, it's nearly bedtime. Nearly.
Now,
In a minute.
right now.
In a minute.
What is sleeping
Not yet.
now?
No. Are you gorgeous, Alba? Alba?
Yes. I kissed you. I'm okay with it. Yeah, I'm gorgeous. Are you gorgeous? Are you?
You're making this a little bit diff.
I'm just gonna go land in her face.
Yeah. Is it bedtime?
Yeah.
Bedtime?
Yeah.
Alba? Can you look at Mummy? Dixie? 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 Can you look? Yes. For God's sake. All I wanted was a picture. So we were just observing, watching Gizmo and Alba play. And obviously Sophie and I were then talking about how bloody cute it was. And all of a sudden, Gizmo sticks his head through the bars looking into his little den and pulls the rubbish bag out. He pulled it from where Sophie is through the bars into the living room. Like, what on earth? Cheeky little boy. But they're so cute. I'm going to turn the camera on so you can see them. Abba's gonna get the ball again and
Where's
she's
the
gonna
other
get
ball,
it.
Abba? Abba, where's the other ball?
Go get the ball.
Can you get the other one? Where's your ball?
There's the ball.
Where's the ball?
Go get the ball. She's like, I just bloody got it.
You got it. There's another one. Can you get me the other ball? Pickle's throwing a sock.
Sock again. Go get the ball. Abba. Abba. Go get your ball. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Go find it.
It's down there.
Go find it. Go get it.
Go get the ball. You totally missed that.
Yeah. Go get the ball.
Go get the ball. It's down there. It's over there behind you. It's behind you. I'm gonna get. Oh no, baby girl, that's you as a cushion. Oh, that was you as a cushion, baby girl.
Go get your ball.
It's over there. Look. Can you get the bully? It's over there. Thank you. Can you get the bully? Can you get the ball? It's down there. Go get the bully. Other way around, baby girl. It's behind you. It's over there. What's down there? Can you go get the bully?
Go get the ball. Abba.
What's that? Go the other way around. Turn around. Turn around. A bit more. Oh, you got your sock. Can you get the ball? Are you okay?
Other way.
Other way. Turn around. It's over there.
Over there. Over there.
Abba.
Over there.
Abba. What's that? No, turn around. Turn around. Abba. What's that? Over there. What's that?
Yay!
Dropped it.
Oh
I can't
no!
reach.
Quick!
Get the ball.
We can't reach.
Pickle's like chowing down on that blinking sock.
Go get
I
it.
can't reach it.
Go get
Can
it.
you get the ball?
Can't reach.
Where's the ballie?
Quick!
Can you get the ball?
Quick! Where's the ball? Go
Can you
get it.
get the
Go
ballie?
get the ball. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Abba. Go get the ball.
Oh.
Go get the ball. It's this
Other
one.
The
Abba,
other
this
one.
one.
Where's that one?
Go get the ball. Down
Go
here.
get the ballie.
Down. Down. Down.
I got down. Can you get me the ballie? You sat on it. Abba, where's the ball?
Oh, you are showing us up tonight.
I'm just so overwhelmed with excitement.
Can you go get the ball? Where's the ball? Where's the ball?
What's right here, Mum? Why do you...
Yay! Well done!
She's like, why didn't you just ask for that in the first place?
Good girl!
Yay. Yeah,
And there's
well,
Dixie
here
with
you
the
are.
sock.
Medicine.
So, that was a little bit exciting for you guys. Only took 3 minutes. Bless
Is
her.
that all it took?
Yeah.
It felt longer than that.
Yeah. But I have a little bit of a headache and I think it's from coughing all day.
Yay.
And it's horrible. Let's just say, I can't wait for Monday. So hopefully they can sort this out.
Yeah, because you finished your antibiotics now, haven't you? So
Yeah.
that's clearly not done the job.
Mm-mm. And let's hope that tomorrow is a little bit better. What's our stupid game she plays?
Lemmings. It's like retro, but like modern all at the same time. It's amazing.
She downloads more games in a day than I download in my lifetime.
I do, but most of them I delete again because they're crap. You gotta try these things. If you don't try them, you never know.
Not personally.
If you never tried your game, you never would have played it.
My one game that I've been playing continually every day for 4 years.
Yeah, precisely.
It's Gummy Drop. I'm determined to complete every country in the world. And so far it's taken me 4 years to get about 10 countries done.
Every night I want.
Yep.
Every night.
Aha. I only play
And
it...
Sometimes you've played it for several hours in a row.
Yeah. I only play it at night time whilst I'm doing the vlog. I like have my iPad out and my phone. And I'm like editing the vlog and playing the game. So yeah. Yay for headache. Yay for bed.
Yay for headache.
Yay for... Just yay. Let's just celebrate it. It's there. Let's just...
Yay for seeing somebody about it on Monday.
Yay. Yay. But for now, I'm going to go have me meds, edit the vlog, and then go back to sleep, even though I've probably only been awake for about 5 hours. Joys. So yes, thank you for coming on our day with us. And we'll see you tomorrow. Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Saturday, 6th of April. With us. When you go out to battle against your enemies and see horses and chariots and people more numerous than you. Dixie, no. Enough now. Do not be afraid of them, for the Lord your God is with you, who brought you up from the land of Egypt. The Israelites squared off against their enemies more times than we can count. At nearly every turn, another tribe or nation reared its head against the people of God. The Israelites had to be ready for battle on countless occasions. The Christian life is at times a bloody battlefield. We face a very real foe, the enemy of our souls. He stirs up situations that cause us to become afraid. We look across the battlefield and see our enemy looming large and intimidating. Today, be reminded that God, who resides inside of you, is greater than any enemy you may face. No matter how many chariots or horses look you in the eye, don't give in to fear. The Lord is with you and will fight your battles. Stand firm. Don't back down. He brought you out of Egypt. He can cause you to triumph even now. It's easy to get overwhelmed, Lord. Those who are against me often seem greater than those who are for me. Thank you for the reminder that having you on my side tips the scale in my favour. You've brought me through so many scary places in the past. Father, I trust you to do it again.